Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 71 Barracuda. There's a 446 pack under the hood, a 4-speed shifter, black interior. It's been rotisserie restored and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it on the lift so you can see the bottom. We're gonna get the hood up, we're gonna fire it up, we're gonna get out and drive it, we're gonna look inside the trunk, we're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Barracuda investment. So come on up, and we'll fire this 446 pack up for you right now. So check out the beautiful paintwork on the car. It is phenomenal. You want to talk about straight. The body man on this car spent a year painting this car. He did a beautiful job. It is straight as an arrow. All the body lines line up nice. The hood's fitting nice and flush. And that paint is just about as soft as can be. All the chrome looks good on the car. It's got factory appearing wheels and tires on it. Now on the VIN here, it is a BH car, so it is a Barracuda. It would be a BS car if it was a Cuda. It is badged as a Cuda. The 440 billboards are looking great. Look at this interior, all blacked out, looking beautiful. That door panel looks great. Steering wheel looks good. We got the pistol grip shifter hooked up to that Mopar 4-speed. All the upholstery on the seats looking great. Upholstery on the rear seat looking good. Headliner looking great. Dash pad itself looks good. All the gauges are looking great. Just a beautiful car inside and out. And did I mention it's got a 6-pack under the hood? Yep, 440 power in this one, guys. She is sweet. I'm gonna have to grab the keys out of here. I'll be right with you. All right, I got the keys now. That tail panel's nicely blacked out. The chrome looks good, and look at those exhaust ports, man. Don't those look great coming out of that valance? And I tell you what, even the paint work on the valance is looking beautiful. Let's see if I can figure out which one of these keys. Hey, look at that, first try. Inside the trunk there, we got the space saver spare. It's all painted up inside there also. Trunk floor looks good. Pull this mat up and take a look. It's all painted under there, looking good. Everything looks great. All the gutter system here looks good. The lips on the deck lid look good. When you look down the side of the car, that paint work is straight as an arrow. Those billboards are looking beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Barracuda. Right now we've got a little over 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. We bought over 48 cars last month and I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take this Barracuda for a ride. 71 440 6-pack 4-speed, Dana Outback. Beautiful rotisserie restoration on this car. This dude is hot, guys, and we can ship it anywhere in the world. Just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He will tell you just how easy it is to ship this Barracuda anywhere in the world. Just give him a call. 4-speed's feeling great. Love these cars. Get around the corner here. 440 making some power. 6-pack, you could hear that 6-pack kick in there a little bit, and that was me only just barely getting on the accelerator. I tell you what, this is one sweet Barracuda right here. Now you can see up here on the dash, we'll take a look at the dash when I get around the corner here. The speedo is working. The tack is working. The dash looks good. All the gauges are nice and clear. Just an amazing car here, guys. She's a 71 Barracuda. You want to talk about rare. These cars are very rare. Probably one of the most sought after cars right now. Very hot muscle car right here. Being a 4-speed 2, rotisserie restored. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out this car in person, we'd love to have you. Now about 95% of our customers buy sight unseen, so we don't get a lot of visitors. We love to have visitors, so come on in and check out the inventory. We've always got new stuff coming in. Listen to this thing. She just wants to get up and go. And we got a semi truck here. I don't know what he's doing. Looks like he's, now maybe he's pulling in. So yeah, like I said, we'd love to have you come in. If you want to fly in, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. If you want to drive in, we're here on Saturdays. Now we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is. Then we're going to pop the hood, take a look at that 440 and that 6-pack. Here's our building here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So check us out and stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this 71 Cuda now. Man, she's pretty under here. You can see brand new tank, brand new exhaust. The bottom side of the car is painted body color. Looks like the spring packs are new. The drop downs look good. The wheelhouses are all painted nice. Frame's nicely painted. We do have a Dana rear end in here, right around the 355 gear, and it is a sure grip. It's got nice exhaust hangers on it here. Frame looks nice and solid here also. Floorboards are nicely painted. It looks like a new brake line, new fuel line going front to back. We do have the Mopar 4-speed trans here, original bell housing, original clutch linkage here. Steering gear all looks like it's in good shape. It does have disc brakes up front, and it does have drums in the back, and the guys will pull all those drums apart, make sure they're in good working order. I see new bushings in the sway bars here. Bottom side of the core support looks good. Bottom side of the radiator looks good. Paint work right down to the bottom edge of this front valance is looking great. The chrome on the front bumper's looking awesome. The grill's looking awesome up there. I mean, really, really sharp car here, guys, and it's a 71 Cuda. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, we got BFGs here on the stock appearing wheels with the center caps looking good, trim rings looking good, and look at that inner wheelhouse there, painted body color. Wheel lip moldings look good. Paint work right down to the bottom edge here, looking good. Let's look at the rear. Out back here, we've got, let's see, oh, the size has got to be on here somewhere. There it is, 275/60 15s. Good looking center caps, good looking trim rings. And again, the lip right here, nice and clean where that inner wheelhouse comes out to the quarter. And again, the paint work right down to the bottom of the rocker, looking great. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 6-pack motor, guys. This was an original 6-pack motor. It's got the original 6-pack carbs on it. The firewall's nicely painted. The inner wheelhouses here are nicely painted. You can see even the exhaust manifolds look correct, and they've been painted with the high heat paint, looking great. It's got a Mopar radiator in it still. We do have power brakes. It does have power steering. All the brake lines look like they're replaced. A lot of the wiring harnesses also look replaced. Everything under the hood here looks correct. Everything is nice and clean. It's an amazing car, guys. She's a 71 Cuda. It's got a 440 and a 6-pack. Amazing machine here, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.